morning children. Today we will begin our class with a quote that let the radiance of science brighten your day. Now you begin each day with something scientific happening around you, and you will understand this word better when you know more about science. So let's get started with today's topic. We have already started chapter number 2, food and health, and in that chapter today's topic is diseases. I know you all know what diseases are. You might have fallen sick many times or might have visited some of your relatives or friends who might have fallen sick or was suffering from diseases. Now you know that diseases are of various types. But what is a disease? A disease is a state in which any part of the body is not functioning properly. Getting it? Now read the definition with me. Disease, a state in which a function or a part of a body is no longer in a healthy condition. Your part of the body is not in healthy condition or many parts are not functioning properly, then we call it as a disease. Now diseases are of two types. One type of disease is which spread from one person to another. You all might be knowing that it is a pandemic. Which pandemic is spreading now? COVID-19, coronavirus is spreading and it is causing a disease, and that disease can transfer from one person to another. These types of diseases which transfer from one person to another or which spread, we call them as communicable diseases. Whereas there is another type of disease which do not transfer or do not spread from one person to another person. We call those diseases as non-communicable diseases. Now you might have heard about people saying that they suffer from hypertension or they suffer from diabetes, but that is the particular body and the part of the body which is not functioning properly. So that type of a disease is non-communicable disease. It do not spread. Now under non-communicable disease, we will be discussing the most important part, and that is the deficiency diseases. Now again, recap what you have done in this chapter before. We have discussed components of food, and we have discussed that there are different components like carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins and minerals. If your food lack any one vitamin or mineral, then you suffer from a disease which is called as a deficiency disease. Now today's topic is various deficiency diseases we will study, and what are the causes of those deficiency diseases and how can we solve that problem, how can we cure that disease. Now first deficiency disease is night blindness. In night blindness, a person suffering from night blindness cannot see in the dark. Neither at night, neither during the day. If there is dark, these people cannot see. Now it occurs due to deficiency of vitamin A. That person is lacking vitamin A in their diet. Now how he will solve it? He should eat lots of green leafy vegetables, papaya, carrot, mango, all orange color fruits and vegetables will help him to cure night blindness. Now second deficiency disease is beriberi. Very easy to remember. Beriberi starts with B and it is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. Now vitamin B1 you get easily from green leafy vegetables again, milk, peas and cereals. I know what all cereals you eat. They will give you enough supply of vitamin B1, and then you can solve this problem of beriberi. Then third deficiency disease is scurvy. In scurvy, a person has very swollen gums. It is the gums, the mouth becomes swollen. So that problem occurs due to deficiency of vitamin C. And in order to solve that, that person should eat lots of citrus fruits, khatte phal, like oranges, lemon, all these things. And then the problem will get solved. Fourth deficiency disease is rickets. Generally, occurs in people those who do not eat vitamin D in their food, or they don't go out in sunlight. You all know that vitamin D is also called as sunshine vitamin, and we get it from sunlight. So if a person is suffering from rickets, he has to have milk and milk products in the diet. Along with that, he has to spend some time in sunlight so that he can synthesize vitamin D, and this problem of rickets can get solved. Now, if vitamin D deficiency occurs in small children, we call it as osteomalacia. You have to remember these names. Again, I am repeating, 4 deficiency diseases we have discussed. One is night blindness, second is beriberi, third is scurvy, and fourth is rickets. Another deficiency disease is goiter. In goiter, people have swollen necks. Their neck becomes swollen and they are not able to digest or swallow things easily. Okay. Now, how it occurs? It occurs due to deficiency of iodine. Iodine is a mineral and it is found in table salt, which we eat every day. Now, if a person is suffering from goiter, then they must eat iodized salt or they should eat seafood. So, this problem of goiter will get solved. Next deficiency disease is anemia. Anemia is a disease which is commonly known as khoon ki kami. Might have heard people saying that I got anemia. Now, this occurs when a person lacks iron in their diet. Iron is again a mineral. Okay, and we get iron from spinach, apple, green leafy vegetables, meat, etc. So, if a person is suffering from anemia, they should include all these things in their diet. I hope you have understood deficiency diseases and you will be able to understand it better when you will read the book. So, I request you all to read the book. Enjoy learning science. Students, see the YouTube videos which we are sharing with you, and if you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask us after seeing the videos and after reading the book.
Now let's see the video on the same topic which we have discussed in the class, deficiency diseases. Diseases which are caused due to lack of some essential nutrients in our diet are called as deficiency diseases. You all know that we should eat healthy food. If we will not eat healthy food, then our diet might lack some essential nutrients and it might cause deficiency diseases. Now, disease is a condition when your body is not at ease. It is not functioning properly. Vitamins are essential for our healthy life. That's why we should eat lots of vitamins and minerals in our diet. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. In this disease, a person cannot see clearly in the dark. This problem can be solved when that person eats pumpkin, butter, carrot, papaya, curd, fish or tomato. Vitamin B deficiency causes beriberi. Beriberi is a disease that affects our nervous system. Sources of vitamin B are potato, banana, beans, rice and meat. Vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy. Symptoms are bleeding of gums and loosening of teeth. How do we know that we are taking vitamin C in our body? Eat citrus fruits like oranges and lemon. Also eat guava, carrots and tomatoes. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. The symptoms of rickets are weak, thin and brittle bones. Sources of vitamin D are fish liver oil, milk and milk products, eggs and sunlight. Our body also needs minerals like iodine, iron, calcium to stay healthy. Mineral deficiencies. Deficiency of iodine cause goiter. Symptoms of goiter are weak and lethargic and swelling in the neck. Affected persons should eat iodized salt in their diet. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. Symptoms of anemia: weak, person become weak, pale skin, lips and eyes. Sources of iron are green leafy vegetables, meat, pulses and nuts. Deficiency of calcium causes bones and teeth deformation. Now, bones and teeth will not remain healthy if a person will not eat calcium in their diet. We get calcium from dairy products like milk, cheese, etc., nuts, pulses and seeds. I hope you might have understood that we should eat balanced diet. A diet which contains all nutrients in adequate amount to avoid deficiency diseases. Here is a quick summary. The vitamins deficiency causes night blindness, beriberi, scurvy and rickets. Thank you.